Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best binary options brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The term binary option refers to a financial product where the parties involved in the transaction will be assigned one of two outcomes. Binary options depend on the outcome of yes or no propositions. Traders will receive a payout if the option expires in the money. However, traders will incur a loss if it expires out of the money. Traders who are searching for some of the best binary options brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best binary options brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Nadex. Nadex, short for the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a leading online platform for trading binary options. Based in Chicago, Nadex offers a user-friendly and secure environment for individuals to trade financial markets. Traders on Nadex can participate in a wide range of markets, including Forex, commodities, stock indices, and economic events, allowing them to speculate on price movements and potential profit opportunities. Engaging in these instruments allows traders to speculate on price movements and implement various trading strategies. With their user-friendly platform and transparent market offerings, Nadex empowers traders to explore and participate in different financial markets, making it a versatile and accessible destination for those seeking to diversify their trading portfolio. Nadex's advanced trading platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of traders and comes equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensuring a seamless and efficient trading experience. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, a user-friendly interface and wealth of analytical tools enable you to make informed decisions and execute your strategies with confidence. Nadex offers a variety of trading accounts tailored to meet the specific needs of individual traders. With a focus on providing a secure and accessible environment, Nadex ensures that traders of all levels can participate in the financial markets confidently. Whether you are looking to explore the world of binary options or an experienced trader seeking advanced tools and resources, Nadex has an account option for you. A demo trading account is also available. Nadex provides a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills to navigate the financial markets successfully. Their comprehensive educational platform offers a diverse range of materials suitable for traders of all levels of expertise. From interactive courses and video tutorials to webinars and articles, they equip traders with essential information about binary options and various trading strategies. At number 4 on our list is eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders, and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. Coming in at number 3, we have BinaryCent. BinaryCent is a leading online trading platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments for traders around the world. They provide a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology, and accommodates a secure and efficient trading environment for both beginners and experienced traders. BinaryCent offers a diverse array of market instruments. Their comprehensive selection includes currencies, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. BinaryCent's trading platform is a powerful and user-friendly tool designed to cater to the needs of traders worldwide. Known for its transparency and fast execution, the platform empowers traders to make well-informed decisions in the dynamic world of online trading. It also provides essential tools and resources to support traders in their trading endeavors. Responsive customer support is readily available to address any questions or concerns, ensuring a seamless trading experience. BinaryCent offers a range of trading accounts tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the Bronze account, the Silver account, and the Gold account. These accounts are designed to provide a customized trading experience, accommodating for both beginners and experienced traders. Each account comes with unique features and benefits to suit different trading preferences and risk tolerance. A demo trading account is also available. They also provide educational resources to empower traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their comprehensive educational materials are designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. These resources include informative articles, video tutorials, webinars, and expert analysis, covering a wide range of trading topics. Whether you are looking to understand the basics of trading, explore advanced strategies, or stay updated on market trends, BinaryCent has got you covered. At number 2 on our list is iqcent. iqcent is a cutting-edge online trading platform that offers a seamless and user-friendly experience for traders of all levels. With a mission to empower individuals to achieve financial success, iqcent provides a wide range of trading options, including binary options, digital options, and Forex trading. Whether you're a novice trader looking to learn the ropes, or an experienced investor seeking diversified trading opportunities, iqcent offers a secure and transparent environment to trade various assets. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments that cater to traders of all backgrounds and expertise. From classic binary options and digital options to Forex trading, the platform offers a wide array of financial instruments to trade. Traders can engage in various assets, including currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices, allowing them to explore different markets and diversify their investment portfolios. iqcent's trading platform is a state-of-the-art and user-friendly online trading interface designed to cater to traders of all levels. Equipped with advanced trading tools and features to enhance trading strategies, their platform offers the ideal ecosystem to explore the world of online trading, make informed decisions, diversify your investments, and embark on your financial journey with confidence. Accounts are offered on bronze, silver, gold, and VIP accounts, with a demo account available. Their range of account types are tailored to accommodate the unique needs and preferences of traders, whether you are new to trading or a seasoned professional. Each account type comes with its own set of features and benefits, including access to a variety of trading instruments, risk management tools, and personalized support. iqcent provides a comprehensive suite of cutting-edge trading tools designed to empower traders and enhance their trading strategies. From real-time market analysis and charting features to risk management tools and trading indicators, iqcent's platform is equipped with everything traders need to make well-informed decisions. The platform's user-friendly interface ensures that these tools are easily accessible, allowing traders to efficiently analyze the markets, manage their risk, and optimize their trading outcomes. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best binary options brokers, we have iqoption. iqoption is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, iqoption empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, iqoption has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. iqoption offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. iqoption offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. iqoption's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. iqoption offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, iqoption's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And those are some of the top 5 best binary options brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.